Hey, thanks for watching. We're doing a Klear headlight restoration. We were already ready to spray it. We've already we've already sanded it down. We don't do any buffing or cleaning. What we do is we sand it down by hand, 400, 1000, 1500 grit. When you get it to a smooth surface and you have a room temperature, then you can spray it. That's the before, and you're gonna see me spray it on there, and then we're gonna cure it with a black light, okay? Here we go. Staying close. It only takes one coat. You do it smoothly and you do it slowly. Once you get to that point, you put a black light on it. The sunlight works just as well. This is for quick delivery. Once you begin taping and sanding, this process should only take about 15 to 20 minutes. No longer than that per light. You can get 2 sets done in less than an hour. And once you wand this black light over it, what's happening is there's a hardening agent. There's a UV protectant so it doesn't turn yellow. We guarantee that the yellowing goes away and stays away for the life of the vehicle, and we guarantee that the light shines through. As you can see, this is pretty much 100% restoration. It looks almost brand new, pretty much brand new. After I wand this, you can take the tape off and deliver it in the next 5 or 10 minutes. Call us 210-334-7392. You can also text that number and we can send you some information. You can see our videos at www.klear.us, and that's Klear with a K. Thanks for watching.